In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 1001. This sign-in error usually points to a problem with your authentication tokens or the Windows account manager that Office uses to keep you signed in. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence so you don't lose work, and you'll know exactly what to try next if one method doesn't do the trick. Start with a simple restart of your computer. This flushes temporary glitches and resets services that Outlook depends on. After you're back in, open any Office app like Word, go to the account area, sign out of your Microsoft account, then sign back in. Make sure your internet connection is steady and your system clock is correct, since time drift can break secure sign ins. If the error persists, run a quick repair of Office. In Windows settings, open apps, find Microsoft 365 or Office, select Modify, then choose Quick Repair. This is fast and non-destructive. It refreshes core files without removing your apps or data. When it completes, reopen Outlook and test your sign-in. Next, re-register the Windows Account Manager plugin using PowerShell, which helps if tokens or the AAD broker component got out of sync. Open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Use the standard command recommended for your Windows version to re-register the Microsoft AAD Broker plugin package. If you're unsure of the exact syntax, check your organization's documentation or Microsoft's guidance, then run the command and restart your PC before testing Outlook again. If you're using a work or school account on the device, disconnect and reconnect it. Go to Settings, Accounts, then Access Work or School. Select your account, choose Disconnect, Confirm, and Restart. Return to the same area and add the account back, completing any multi-factor prompts. This rebuilds the device relationship and refreshes your sign-in state. Clear cached credentials to remove corrupt tokens, open Credential Manager in Windows, go to Windows Credentials, and remove entries related to Office, Outlook, or Microsoft 365 that look tied to your sign-in. Don't touch unrelated credentials. After clearing, reopen an Office app and sign in again so fresh tokens are created. Finally, check that your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking Microsoft's authentication components. Ensure Office apps and Microsoft sign-in helpers are allowed, and temporarily disable aggressive web filtering while you test. Re-enable protections right after. Work through these in order, testing Outlook after each step. By the end, most Error 1001 cases are resolved without a full reinstall. If the issue continues, share the error details with your IT team along with what you've tried so far.